wondering what's next. Today we're doing something a little different. We're unboxing something really exciting. The SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2. I've been wanting SHOKZ for about 2 years now, and I kept going back and forth on which version I wanted. And I couldn't decide because all of them sounded really nice. But when I kept putting it in my cart, it just so happened to be a drop on August 28th, and I waited. It was very hard to wait because I just really wanted them. But I ended up jumping on August 28th, and I got them, and the first 800 people were able to get a gift box, which is this one. And this includes the case, the headphones per usual, but also it comes with a hat, a SHOKZ hat, and a running belt. I've been eagerly waiting to get these in my hands, and finally I got them because they are packed with cutting-edge technology that I can't wait to dive into. Whether you're running, like me, cycling, or just looking for a new pair of headphones that blend comfort and high performance, these might just be what you're looking for. Let's open these up and see what's inside. Also, side note, I am not affiliated with them. This is just my personal review, and this is a little bit something different that I've been wanting to do on the channel. Although these gift boxes are sold out, on first impression, the box is so sleek, so thick, so sturdy. It just gives a good name for the SHOKZ brand. And also, we love an earth-conscious packaging. Now, let's open the box. Oh, how exciting. Oh, be open, it says. Okay. Oh, also I got the mini. I did not measure my head. I just know I have a small head. Okay. Wait. I didn't see anything. All right. Ooh. Okay. So we got the headphones here. Let's open those up first. Packaged so nicely. It's like a little gift box. Oh, and I got the black. Really wanted the orange, but I didn't want anything to stick out. I was looking into a white or a beige, but the twos only had, as of right now, I don't know if they'll launch anything out later, it's just black or orange. Ooh, how exciting. Nice box. Very nice box. Okay, we're greeted with a hard case. We love a hard case. Very matte finishy. I think this might show some fingerprints. Yeah, but maybe not. Who knows? We got a little loop. Here's the case. The loop. Okay, so on first impression, they're not too black. They're like a gray almost. Which love. It looks like there's something down here. Yeah, it looks like there's a charging port in here. Okay. We got them here. Oh, they're magnetic. Okay, I've never had SHOKZ before, so this is first impression, like very, very first impression. They have a matte finish, more of like a rubber grip. It has a USB-C charging port. I know that a lot of people are not happy with that because previous versions had the magnetic induction charging port. So now the people that might get this one are gonna have to have a new charging port. Me personally, I do like the USB-C just because a lot more products are now using that. So one cord for everything. which is nice. All right, so it looks like we got the power. We got volume up and volume down here. Let's put these on. Okay. They sit right below the temple, outside of my ear. And it looks like it's a perfect size because I didn't want them too far out either because they're just gonna bounce all over the place. They're very comfortable. I think the test is gonna be if I can wear them for a long period of time, because when I do go on runs, which what I would be using them for, my head does swell. And I don't know if they're gonna like push in. Maybe not, who knows. But maybe, okay, I can't wear braids, I don't think, with them. Maybe if I put it over the braids. Okay, I would have to wear over braids, but it's fine anyway. Maybe not over braids. They don't sit right. But then my braids stick out. Yeah, my braids stick out. But it's fine anyway. I don't wear braids running. I usually put my hair up in a bun. Don't care. Yeah. Very sleek. Very cute. Who is she? Who is she? So, going back to the carrying case. Very sturdy. That thing ain't going nowhere. It's very, very sturdy. I like that. I don't know if the orange would come with an orange case. I feel like a lot of these like black cases, for me personally, it's hard to like see them in places. Too bad there's not like an option where you can like customize a case, because that would be kind of cool. Put like your name or something, or change it to a different color. Maybe in the future, who knows, maybe they'll do that. Going back to the headphones, first impression, very light. They weigh about 30 grams. The frame is made from silicone plastic and nickel titanium alloy, which gives a flexible yet durable structure. So let's take a look into the outstanding features of these bad boys. 10th generation bone conduct technology is an advanced audio delivery method that transmits sound through the bones of your skull directly into your inner ear, bypassing the eardrum. This allows you to hear audio while still being aware of ambient sound, which especially is beneficial for outdoor activity like running or cycling. The latest generation in this technology, featured in the SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2, offers enhanced sound quality with deeper bass, clear vocals, and reduced sound leakage compared to earlier versions. It's designed for comfort, safety, and high performance listening. Me personally, I have the Ray-Ban Metas. Those do not have a bone conduct technology. They just sit over the ear. So I'm interested in trying these just to see how it works, because I've never had anything like this. The battery life is up to 12 hours on a single charge, which is more than enough for even the most insane workouts. It also has a standby time up to 10 days, but if you're in a rush, a 5-minute quick charge can give you up to 2.5 hours of play. They are sweat and water resistant. These headphones are built to withstand sweat and light rain, making them reliable for all outdoor activities. And then the Bluetooth is 5.3, which provides a stable connection and low power consumption, which contributes to the most impressive battery life. The ergonomic design ensures a secure fit without putting pressure on the ears. Whether you're running a marathon or just going on a walk, these headphones are designed to stay in place. I really want to try that. I'm so excited to run in these. I don't know the next time I'll be running outside, but I do run in the treadmill, and I do want to give these a shot on the treadmill just so I can still hear my surroundings inside my own house. I do have currently the ones that just sit inside the ear, and with sweat and everything, it just gets nasty and weird and awful feeling. Just no. These are just gonna feel really good. I hope. At least that's what I've heard. Really good things about these. A lot of the people that I do follow on YouTube do have the SHOKZ. I think one person only has the ones that doesn't have the back. I can't remember the name of those ones at this point, but those ones I think sit a little more in the ear, but these I think are gonna be really nice to not have that sweat buildup in the ear and then the fluttering when you're bouncing. It's just so annoying. These headphones are packed with the latest technology, offering not just great sound, but also comfort and safety features. Who doesn't love that? Us women, even men, we need to be safe out there. That was my take on the headphones. I really want to see the other items that I got in the gift box, which is the running belt. Okay. Ooh. So we got the hat. Nice material. Okay, it has the breathable holes on the sides, and then it looks like maybe a clip back, and then their logo on the front. Nice brim. Let's try her on. She is cute. I'll definitely be wearing this on my runs when I do go running outside, which just has not been lately, but I want to get back to it. I just love the treadmill. I'm sorry, I'm just a treadmill girly, but it's very comfortable. Yeah, I really like that. And anything to just give shocks. Why not wear it? Alrighty, so here's the running belt. It's thinner than what I'm used to, but sometimes you don't need such a big belt. Okay, nice. Okay, it looks like it it's stretchy. I think it could hold your phone. It's stretchy enough. All right, it looks like it has reflective on there and on the back. Nice sturdy belt. Nice clip. Okay, it's a different kind of clip. I wonder if SHOKZ is gonna eventually sell other products. Here's the belt in all of its glory. Nice zipper with also the SHOKZ logo on there. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there we go. Okay, the inside. Nice material, just in case like you have your goo or your gels. It won't make a mess like it would on probably like this material. You can just wipe it away. Very nice. I'll also try this out on my outdoor run. Overall, I'm very happy about the unboxing. I can't wait to actually give these a shot and try them out, test them out today during work time. Just to give it a shot, see how they are. I know there's plenty of more features on there that I would like to go more in depth with. And then maybe eventually I'll do another review on how they are like after a month or something. But yes, very, very happy, pleased with the beauty of these, the magnetic of that. That's just so cool. Like they're not gonna fly all over the place. Very, very sleek, very, very modern. This is how it looks with the sound area. It says dual pitch on there. Actually, right now, you're getting a lot of my fingerprints. I can't stand seeing my fingerprints on things. But it's mostly like on the front. I don't see it anywhere else on it. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to let me know what you think on the comments below. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We do have other videos that we do with food review. But yeah, I wanted to do something a little different today and do an unboxing of a product. And thank you for watching, and let's wander together and see what's next. Toodles.